Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Continuing with the topic of admission with the Goodwill over here. Here we are taking a case where C brings the premium for Goodwill for rupees 80,000 and new profit sharing ratio is given to us. As I already told you, when the new partner brings into the business capital and the premium for Goodwill, the journal we pass is bank account debit to premium for Goodwill, and here the premium for Goodwill is rupees 80,000. So this is the first journal. Now this premium for Goodwill is to be distributed to the sacrificing partners. Here no sacrificing ratio is given to us. So how to calculate firstly sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio is equals to old minus new. Who would sacrifice? But obvious old partners, we are going to make a calculation for them. A sacrifice is equals to old ratio was 3/5 minus is new ratio, that is 1/5 here. So how much sacrifice he made? 2/5. Now let's go in for calculating B's share. B's old share was 2/5, but B's new share is 3/5. Rather than making a sacrifice, he is gaining here because his value is in negative. This negative value shows that B is a gaining partner rather than a sacrificing partner. I told you premium for Goodwill would go to only the sacrificing partners. So here sacrificing partner is credited, but because B is gaining on admission of C, so B's capital account would be debited. Gaining partner's capital account is to be debited and sacrificing partner's account is to be credited, right? So here the case goes along. 80,000 rupees is brought in as a premium should go to A. But here B is also gaining, so B should also make some contribution to A for making a sacrifice over here. See over here what have happened. B sacrificed 2/5. B sacrificed 2/5. One part was for C. B gave 2. C got 1. One who got? One got B. So one part, because B have also got, so B should also give a premium for Goodwill to A. Now in what part it is to be calculated? See, 80,000 rupees was brought in as a premium for Goodwill by C. C's share of Goodwill multiplied by C's share of profit. So C's share of profit here was 1/5. Taking its reciprocal, we get 5/1. So how much is the firm's Goodwill? That is rupees 4 lakh. Here, what is the firm's Goodwill? That is rupees 4 lakh. And now out of 4 lakh, how much B should make a sacrifice? That is 80,000. He should also pay 80,000 to A. So how much A would get? 1,60,000. Here it was clear that premium for Goodwill brought in by C is for 1/5 share, that is 80, and B was also gaining by 1/5 share, so the amounts become equal to each other. That's why the total amount A has got is 1,60,000. If you say that in this manner it is not taken the valuation, then you can have another method of making the calculation. Here is, let's say 1/5 share. For 1/5 share, C's share of Goodwill is rupees 80,000 and firm's Goodwill. For firm's Goodwill share would be 1. That would be 80,000 into 5/1, taking the reciprocal. Now firm's Goodwill is of rupees. How much valuation is the firm's Goodwill? That is 4 lakh. Now you can take this Goodwill and make a calculation for B's gaining share. How much Goodwill he should pay to A? That is 1,60,000 total over here, with 80,000 contribution by C and 80,000 by B. So this is the case when one partner is gaining and another partner is sacrificing on the admission, how the amounts are to be calculated. Thanks for the day, Accountitude. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep scoring.